Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain how you can mirror your Android phone on computer either using USB connection or through wireless Wi-Fi mode. Please watch my previous video for the users of Raspberry Pi and THRO operating system users for easily installing Scrcpy tool on your computer. The link is given in the description below. Okay, now let us start. Scrcpy, there is a tool by name called Scrcpy. It helps us in displaying of our Android mobile on the computer either through USB or over Wi-Fi. Okay, the main advantage of this one is it does not require any root access, and it is also one of the safest mirroring application as it does not require us to install anything on our devices. It only allows you to install and debug apps via ADB, Android Debug Bridge. Okay, it is cross platform specific, and so it is used for it can be installed and can be used on Linux, Windows as well as Mac operating systems. Okay, for before using the Scrcpy command tool, let us do the things which we have to do on Android mobile. First, we have to enable developer mode on the Android mobile through settings. After this one, you have to enable USB debugging available under developer options. Okay, these are the first two steps which you have to do for connecting Android mobile through USB connection. Okay, once the connectivity has been established, now Scrcpy command copy tool comes into picture. Just what you have to do is you have to issue Scrcpy command on the Linux terminal, and your Android mobile will get displayed like this. And now we will see how we can wirelessly make connection using Scrcpy command tool. Okay, for that one, uh, um, the USB connection should be intact, and after that one, you have to give a command by name adb tcp ip 5555 on the terminal. It has to be done. Wireless connection will be done using adb tool. Okay, adb tcp ip 5555. Once this command is issued, it will connect to that particular port. After that one, and one more thing, in Android mobile you have to note down your IP address because it has to be used here for making a static connection. Okay, so it will be available under in developer option itself in Android mobile. Each mobile has its own different models are there, no? Just you go through and you find your Android mobile's IP address. After that one, after this command has been given, again give adb connect the IP address. If you give this one, now it gets established. After this one, you have to give adb devices. It will show all the devices now connected. Now you can remove the USB connection. Now just issue Scrcpy -b2 m -m800. I will tell you the these options in just a few minutes, okay, later in this video. So now your mobile has been connected wirelessly. You can easily navigate either using keyboard or mouse, or even like how it is, okay. And also there are a lot of shortcuts available. If you visit the GitHub page of this one, Scrcpy, here you will find lot of shortcuts also here. And you please go through the GitHub page of Scrcpy. There you have bunch of commands and bunch of information available. Okay, here you will get mod. Suppose you just go to here. If you want to left tilt, right, direct, like left, or decreasing. A lot of options are available here in the mod. Just go through this one, okay. And one more thing, this option I have told you, no, Scrcpy, why I have used that. By if sometimes screen lagging and screen time lapse will occur, so to avoid those things, if you use these two options, your connectivity to Android phone will get increased, because you are being using mirroring at a lower definition. By default 8 MB is the video bitrate, so this command reduces it to be bitrate to with 2 MB with and max size up to 800. And if during installation process, if you face any problem, just use adb kill server command and redo the above steps except installation, because installation is already been completed. And now comes, if you want to transfer sound also from mobile to computer, you have to use one more option called sound copy tool. That is also available under GitHub, but for this one you have prerequisite is you should have Android 10 version 10 and above based mobile, as well as VLC has to be installed on the computer. Same procedure, just download the contents here from the GitHub page. Just it forwards audio from an Android 10 device to computer, okay. For Linux this one, for Windows this one, download it and go extract the zip contents and go into that subfolder and use the installation procedure. This is the how to run the, okay, after installation. Now after using this one, during installation of Scrcpy, some will face certain errors. So just I will show you. Some will get this install grad runtime permission error during installation. For that one, you just on your Android mobile enable these two options also under developer options, install via USB and USB debugging. Once these two things are enabled, that error will will go away and sound copy will be installed smoothly. So this is one of the best mirroring of Android devices tool. This is 100% working and I am using it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have learned some stuff. Keep watching and share your knowledge. Thank you.